Okay, boom. Viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. Bless. You also know the story incomplete. Of minute up on the beat and as you can see. Pan on the screen. Yeah, Dancehall King Beanie Man ex-wife, the angel, the first lady of Dancehall, now turned OnlyFans motto slash dancehall artist, is giving it up to no other than Cargo. People putting at the comment section where you think about that because the way of the series them are going on TikTok with the T-list of them, the artists them are jumping on the mix too. You see what I say? As you know, Beanie Man and you know who have been split for a long time, you see it. But you know, say, the thing them not appropriate at times. You see what I say? But nevertheless, he moved on with you know who, Camille. And acting all lovey-dovey and all of these things. So that's why the people them say, you know, Cargo and The Angel are run some series to, you know, compete with this series so them can sell music. I don't know, you know, my people. Me just let them know what go on for not to go on, you see me? But speaking about fake relationships, you know, I said the people them this breeded and yam out silk bars from the start. Because them man that are used to pum pum. When they already know the history of them, you know, left the man them in Jamaica and them they go overseas. But anyway, fast forward now past the S-tape and the robbery of $1 million. She posted up something earlier today saying Mr. Silk Boss, aka Artistic Made F. Wow. That's rough. Y'all gonna make me nyam, you know, you bomber clot son. Wow. No, and start a bomber clot series on this woman. You could tell you about the series then, right? Cause she's broke, you feel me? The things that she expected to get out of Silk Boss career is just not happening, you see me? So she was like, you know, cause what's ready to start it, and now go pretty bomber cloud. You see me, I say, you see, say me, a sick mother effer, boy. I hope you are sing next sorry to the bomber cloud, you know who, media. So your fans them can, you know what, listen. And them not gonna listen because you know them boy you abandon them other pitney because them listen to woman who no want him no more and ready to fling him under the bus because them say, oh the money are going upon the series with Rosalie and all of these people. You know what I mean? But then again, you don't know with them people, this can just be a prey to promote their music. Smart. Okay, the next trending topic out of Jamaica we have to deal with Gyptian and Nicki Minaj because fans them are saying he's still in his feelings. That you know she got all the benefits from doing the collab, meaning hopping on his track, you know the old one. You see some people putting at the comment section where you think about that because him say, you know, the song, how should I put it? Let's say the original song have 200 million views and the remix have like 8 million views. You know what I mean? But you know, when an international artist collabs with anybody, it boosts their career. That's what he is saying. But the Barbs are saying no, cause the song is just one song out of many hit songs. You see me? And I think they're totally correct. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, they both benefit. You know what I mean? This is why I always say when you collaborate with somebody, you have to make sure the benefits is mutual. And a lot of dancehall artists think collaborating with international artists will always propel their career, and it really doesn't do that because of the politics behind the scene. You know what I mean? But these are some of the comments, or I should say conflicting comments, where people with opposing views to what Gyptian is saying. You see what I say? Yeah, let's proceed to the next. Now the next trending topic out the Jamaican man for say it have to do with straight nails and bars. Foota I call them say, oh him in a picture and video with Diddy boyfriend Rick Ross. The boss. Yes people, we cannot go around the thing. You see what I say? But him out here complaining about Lisa and who take a picture in a bathing suit. You see, some people putting in the comment section waiting about that because him have a problem with Lisa on the front, right? And you know, Foota is just a selector. He's not a camera photographer. You know what I mean? These type of pictures really show you oh good the design of the bikini and all of them shit there is, you know. Right? But him there so have a problem with front, like him have a problem with body. And Mr. Vegas is commenting on the situation. So let's hear what Foota is saying and then we proceed.
You put the camera ground and the picture take upward, so it take the picture right under your crutches, you and the dog, and it just give whore tendencies to me. Just I'm selling myself. Like, what are you doing? Me no want view you like an Instagram prostitute. Me no want, no. And that's what it's giving. I know so me want look under you. It just give whore tendencies to me. Just I'm selling myself. At least I mean I like how you're too close to your dog them neither. Something right.
Yeah, more I know Foota now no shame again. Foota, your shame tree dead. For real. Miss Lisa Hanna, a big woman, out there I enjoy her life. And she's dressing up into what she feels comfortable for dress up in her. Not only that, her body look very good, and she's a beautiful woman. And you have a problem with the woman that do what she want to do, a woman in her a 50-year-old woman. You become the moral compass of society to the point where you point out what the lady is wearing and doing with her life. A married woman, we have her husband, and obviously her husband has a problem with it, and you have a problem with it, brother. She come like she clout your stars. She put up a monkey. And if I use she call monkey. The monkey when she put up the rotted, I don't know if she thinks that the monkey they favor you. But she put up a monkey to rotted. Come like I use she call monkey. You. Brother, you need to have like a shame, man. You lose your shame tree bad, you know. Me tell you from the other day, so you need to go do a checkup and see if you have a mild strokes. Because you not address that, you know, and you come out and talk about something wrong with Lisa Hanna. What wrong with the woman if the woman are wear what she want to wear, brother? And when I see people say, we know for point out say something wrong with you. And then 1 or 2 days after, you come and point out say something wrong with Lisa Hanna because she dressed a certain way. So when we are point out and I see your mouth lean and you drool, yeah? Because my sister you drool now, it even get worse because you start lick your spit. Like me notice when you're talking, you start push out your tongue, you catch spit from coming down in the curve, yeah, where your mouth created, yeah, where your lip created. When them say I lick your spit, I push out your tongue, I catch back the spit, you know. Then I realize say something off. But me see people did I say, boy, I shouldn't say something, you know, you need to go check out if something wrong with you. Because sickness this and sickness that. But I same thing I do with Lisa Hanna. If you think that Lisa Hanna has a mental breakdown, or she go through something mental, yeah, the same way they must say me should have reach you or send you a message, you know, a direct message. You know, could I send her a direct message in her inbox too? Because she always correspond with people. So if you did want to find if something wrong with Lisa Hanna, you should have send her a direct message and say, what go on, mama? Since you're PMP and you're PMP. You should send her a message and say, what go on, mama, you alright? Yeah, man, I pray for you. And she'd reply to you and say, yeah, man, Foota, me good. Instead of you go out there now and take up the lady business by your head and I talk about something wrong with the lady, like you suggest something medically wrong with her. But look on you, where say something medically wrong with the woman with the mouth, they lean round so like you're King Stitch. You feel low, brother, me tell you, your shame tree dead, bro. The fact say you dip on the internet a drool and I use your tongue and catch your spit. And you know things you need to take one like a break and get some medical attention. You know? And just chill out for a minute, bro. It's like say you think you're going to miss something off of the internet, bro. You're not miss nothing, bro. Just chill out a little bit, man. Chill out a little bit, bro. You see? Chill out, man, and me I tell you this as a youth way, rate you. You know some rate you, you know. I mean I love to see the best for you. See, me not like the little boy them will live in them car and I rate you. You know say me rate you. Zane, you know you're my G. You know say right now, yeah, me just a phone call away. Anything is when I say when it comes on to health and then sitting there and anything to make you better. You know me just a phone call away. Not change. You know say me have the same herbalist. One of the same herbalists. Congo. So you know say not change. We might have a little mustard in and them sitting there. But me really think you need to chill out a little bit, bro. Chill out a little bit and you understand me? I say, and stop putting on people's stress upon your head, man. You understand? Nobody take up them stress, the brother. Allow Lisa and make Lisa and live her life, bro. Allow the lady make the lady live her life. You're not a medical doctor, bro. Zane? You're not a psychiatrist. Yeah? So, get like ambition. And people, remember, say me have an album out, you know, Ghetto Reggae. And it's going very well. And the Tyrone tune called Tyrone. Yeah, man, Foota, take a song and guitar review. Yeah, I'm a shot your thing. Yeah, the call Tyrone tune. Take it and guitar review, me a shot your thing. Yeah, me done? Yeah, man, I leave Lisa and alone.
Yeah, putting in the comment section where you think about that. People, don't forget to follow my next channel, them, you know, cause we are upload a bag and mix up, you know, on YouTube. And we are going live on with 2 TikTok channels, them. So follow me on all of my platforms, them. And subscribe to my other channel, them, on YouTube as well. You know what I mean? Turn on the notification bell and press all there for you to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.